If you're a job seeker looking to move to Luxembourg for work, I've got you covered in this video. Welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for relocation and life-changing opportunities. Today, we are diving into the heart of Europe. We will be exploring the job market in one of the richest countries in Europe called Luxembourg. And guess what? Luxembourg is a powerhouse of opportunities. This country is a goldmine for both skilled and unskilled job seekers. The minimum wage is over 2,000 euros per month. So we'll be talking about two top job search sites for job seekers. The first website has more unskilled jobs, while the second company has more skilled jobs for professionals. This could be your gateway to a new professional chapter. What's even more exciting is that some of these companies are ready to welcome international talent and might even sponsor your visa. It also depends on the position you are applying for. There is no age limit, no IELTS requirement, and no proof of funds needed. This is a game changer. And if you're watching my smiling face for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Ammy. I and my husband talk about everything immigration, relocation, and studying abroad. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you love immigration content. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Please don't forget to share my videos with your friends and your loved ones, and keep watching.
Hello guys, you're welcome to Immigrate with Ammy, and today we'll be talking about some opportunities for international applicants. We'll be speaking about an EU country which is the country with the second largest GDP per capita in the world. All right, and that gives you an indication of the strength of the economy as well as the economic stability of this country. This is also one of the largest financial hub globally, okay, which also indicates that there are a lot of career prospects and opportunities for you as an international skilled worker. So the first platform we are looking at is Luxembourg, which is actually a place that gives you an opportunity to boost your career in Luxembourg and to meet talent from all over the world. Right now they have around 2,544 offers in different occupation and skilled areas. You can see opportunities for barman, a waiter or waitresses, financial analyst, financial specialist, associate professor, sustainable construction engineer, maintenance and cleaning agent, maintenance technician, KYC analyst, experienced accounting assistant, agricultural worker, aluminum welder, banquet manager, tax specialist, nurse, sales manager, risk governance analyst, consolidation and reporting manager. You can see that these are different skilled areas, okay, and you have different types of jobs. So low skilled jobs are there, medium skilled jobs are there, and of course high skilled jobs are also available. So this one is for a waiter or a waitress. It's also a full-time job that comes with a permanent contract in the hospitality and tourism sector. So you can read the description here, which includes performs the service such as table setting, welcoming customers, taking orders. And these are simple things. They would need you to have some form of professional diploma to show that you have the requisite education that is required for this role. This next opportunity is for a data specialist for those in the tech sector, and you can read up more information about that role here and the profile that is required if you want to apply for this role as well. If this is in line with your profile, all you need to do is to click on apply. This one is for a senior web solution architect. You can also read up details about that job on the job page as well. If you are qualified, all you need to do is to hit the apply button right here. This is for a maintenance and cleaning agent. So you can also see that in as much as they have high skilled and medium skilled jobs, you will also find low skilled jobs on this platform. It's basically giving opportunities to everyone regardless of your level of skill. So this next opportunity is for a management controller. It's based in English. They are looking for a management controller who will provide management with the results of the economic and financial analysis essential for the operational and strategic management of the company or division to which they report. So what is the profile that they are looking for? You must have proficiency in the use of information systems such as spreadsheets, databases, ERP, and so on. You must have good accounting knowledge. You must have data analysis skills. You must have good knowledge of the company's business and operations. And of course, English is essential. If this sounds like something you're excited about and you have the requirement, you can just click on the apply button here to apply for this role. So this is for an accounting manager. As you can see here, this comes with a permanent contract. The job is also based in English language, which makes a lot of people eligible for this opportunity. They are looking at someone with some form of relevant education. They need someone with 5 or more years work experience. In terms of the technical skills required, they need you to have proficiency in national and international accounting standards, good knowledge of legal, tax, and social regulations, very good knowledge of some of the relevant regulations like the SEPA regulations, proficiency in office automation tools, particularly Excel and accounting software packages. And of course, in terms of the language, you must have professional level English language proficiency, both written and spoken. Okay, if you have this requirement, you can click on the apply box here to start the application process. This also comes with a fixed term contract. It's a full-time job of 40 hours per week as well. It is also based in English, which further shows you that a lot of expatriates do not actually face language barriers when looking for opportunities. So you can read more information about the role, and of course you can find useful information about the ideal candidate that they are looking for this particular product development formulation engineer role. This next opportunity is for a data specialist for those in the tech sector, and you can read up more information about that role here and the profile that is required if you want to apply for this role as well. If this is in line with your profile, all you need to do is to click on apply. The details about that job on the job page as well. If you are qualified, all you need to do is to hit the apply button right here. This is for a sustainable construction engineer. It also comes with a permanent contract. The job is based in either English or French languages, so it's open to people who speak English or French. This last opportunity on EURES is for a financial analyst. It's also a full-time permanent role. The job is based in English, and you can see a full description of your task as a financial analyst right here. Again, the apply button is below the job page, so you can click on it either on the left hand side or right at the center bottom of the job description. So the second platform we'll be looking at for people who are looking for opportunities in Luxembourg is a platform called Jobslu. One thing that I love about this platform is that on the home page you can actually find all the categories of job opportunities that they have. So that helps you to filter by the categories that you are really interested in, instead of just going through an endless list of job across different occupations. So as you can see that they have opportunities in accounting and finance, analysis, project management, architecture, construction, insurance, industry, sales, property, auctioneering, pharmaceutical, purchasing, technical support, telecom, media, manufacturing, legal, IT, programming, investment funds, healthcare, hotels, restaurant, HR, recruitment, freelance. So any job, any skill area that you're interested in, you can also see the number of current opportunities that are open in each of the categories of occupations, as you can see on their homepage. So let's take a quick look at some of the open vacancies. Okay, so if you go through the list, you would see that many of the jobs are newly posted. As you can see here on the left hand side, you can see the day when the job was actually posted, and of course you can see that these are jobs that were posted like just one day ago. Okay, so these are current opportunities for which the employer is looking for qualified candidates. You can see a lot of opportunities right here: fitness trainer, tax associate, business manager, commercial or sales manager, associate in investment fund management, senior manager in business development, a warehouse clerk or production employee, an IT application support engineer, audit assistant, facility manager, call center advisor, payroll manager, portfolio manager, maintenance technician, key account manager, employee quality control, experienced junior tax advisor. So, the list goes on and on. You can always find something in your area of discipline. This one is for a product development formulation engineer. The apply button is right here. It's also a permanent full-time job. Read the job description right here. You can read what they are offering. It's a job that is based in English, so they need someone that has excellent English skills, both spoken and written. Of course, if you have more language proficiency, of course, that will be considered an advantage. You can also read up right here what your responsibilities will be, and of course, they give some general information on how you can apply for this job. So this next one is for a maintenance technician. It's a technical role. If you are qualified, you can apply directly on the job page, but of course you can read more information here. So they are looking for a maintenance technician as part of the expansion of the activities of the company. So basically, what will be your mission? You'll be involved with maintenance of heating, air conditioning, ventilation, sanitary and refrigeration systems, okay, taking into account safety and quality specificities. You'll be involved in control analysis and troubleshooting of fault, documentation of work steps, and of course you'll be performing some security checks as well. So what should be your skills? You must have very good supervisory skills, practical effectiveness, independent and perfectionist approach to problem solving, sense of organization, rigor and autonomy, sense of responsibility, team spirit, good written expression skills, good manners and neat appearance. So you can read up all of that information. If you have the requirement, click on the apply button to start your application. This is for a payroll manager, which is also a full-time permanent role. What is the job description? The person will ensure all payroll-related tasks such as administration, payment of salaries, social security contribution, and taxes, including split contract in an international environment. And also read up more information about the profile in terms of the language abilities, the skills and experience that is required of the ideal candidate. And of course, you can, apply right here on the job page as well. This last opportunity is for a facility manager. It's also a permanent full-time role, and you can, apply right here on the job page. Let's take a look at some of the responsibilities which, will suggest the skills and experience they need. You'll be providing the employees with a safe, comfortable, and efficient and accommodating workplace, both from a macro and individual workstation level, maintenance and improvement of office space, technical, hardware, and IT matters, lease and vendor management, including negotiations of contract and being the point of contact for vendors, suppliers, security, IT, landlord, and maintenance teams. So you can read up more information about the profile and what the employer is offering. To apply for this role, they have the apply button at the top. They have also given another format, okay, to submit your application, which is, to forward your CV and motivation letter in English to this particular email address right here, hr@gsk-lux.com, okay. So this opportunity is for a full stack developer with a focus on artificial intelligence. It's a permanent contract. It's also a full-time job. If you are qualified, the apply button is right here, okay, on the center of the job page, and you can just click on it to start your application. You can read more information about the job description as a full stack developer, the task that you will be implementing, and the profile that the employer is looking for. So basically, guys, we've been looking at a lot of opportunities. We've reviewed two platforms which has a lot of opportunities. regardless of the languages you speak, your areas of discipline, a lot of opportunities for you, and you can take advantage of that by checking out these two platforms and by applying for the opportunities you are qualified for. All of the relevant links are in the video description. Make sure you click on the links, okay, to find out which opportunities are open to you, and we wish you all the best in your immigration journey. Thank you so much, guys, and have a lovely day.